ain't right. I ain't kidding.
So the cat food's in the refrigerator.
I mean, is it Alpo? Is it fucking...
It's just a little spoon and two spoonfuls.
Or something.
And
I mean, goddamn,
this full.
It's like some chili or some fucking beef stew up in there, and I'm gonna fuck up and eat that bullshit one day. Come back from fucking Montana and goddamn be hungry and grab me some bread and try to make me a sandwich because I think there's some fucking tuna fish or something.
Stupid. Tuna fish don't look like pate.
Pate my ass. That's some fucking nasty ass fucking dog food.
No, it's not dog food. That's the cat's food. You
No, it don't matter.
Open the can. You gotta refrigerate the leftovers.
What flavor is it?
It's salmon.
Oh, fuck that bullshit. You know that shit is fucking trash.
He always ruin a damn video with his nasty ass mouth. Shit.
Nobody don't eat no damn nasty ass salmon. That shit tastes like some fucking rotten fish.
He's stupid. Bye, y'all.
Nasty.